Hello, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen with New Hope Chiropractic. And what are some preventive measures you can take, both as an individual and also for the community, to help spread the threat of coronavirus, protect yourself and others? Well, number one, you want to be polite and courteous. Stay at home if you're sick. And call your doctor in lieu of traveling to his or her office if you can, if telemedicine is an option. Remember, others who are immune compromised are at serious risk, and be respectful of them, including your doctor too. Even if you don't think you have COVID-19, you may have it and not know it. Or if you're sick, you should stay at home so you can properly recuperate. Avoid crowded places for the sake of others, and also for your own sake if you're not sick. And if you're home watching movies, watching TV, don't watch too much news. That just makes you more stressed and more depressed. Watch movies that make you happy, comedies that decrease your stress. Remember, the goal here is supporting your immune system, and one of the greatest action steps here is to laugh. That's a great way to decrease stress. So find movies that make you laugh. Number three, get some sleep. In fact, get extra sleep. If you have problems sleeping, consider a natural sleeping aid like melatonin or valerian root, for example. Number four, you want to exercise to the best of your ability. If you're just starting an exercise program, don't take too much on too soon. And if you're an exercise lover, you may want to kick it down a notch so you don't overburden your immune system either. So lessen your workout intensity a little bit. If your gym is closed down, which a lot of gyms are these days, you might want to try some exercise videos at home, aerobics or yoga, Pilates, Tai Chi, things like that you can do at home, watch on your TV or your computer. The key here is to keep moving, and exercise will also help stimulate your immune system. Number five, maybe it's best to avoid the handshake for now. Maybe do an elbow bump or a fist bump, or just a gentle nod with your head. That might be better for now. And people will understand. They won't be offended if you don't shake their hand. Number six, and this is big. This is a really, really hard one for me, actually. Don't touch your face. This will, even just scratching your face or rubbing your eyes will introduce bacteria and possible contaminants to your face, so don't do that. If you do touch your face, make sure you're washing your hands thoroughly before that. Also, take extra time that you may have to clean, just especially surfaces or objects that are touched off, and clean them with Lysol, something that will destroy not just bacteria but also viruses. Sneeze or cough into the crook of your elbow, or better yet, into a tissue that you throw away right away. Don't stockpile tissues. Use tissues in your pockets or up your sleeves. And this is really, really important. Next, number nine, wash your hands with soap and water. Rub them vigorously. That's what really counts. What's really important, for at least 20 seconds. Sing the alphabet or sing happy birthday twice. And washing with soap and water is really the gold standard. Use hand sanitizer in situations where you can't wash. And soap outcompetes disinfectant and alcohol in a lot of cases, because the interactions between the virus and the skin surface and the virus get detached and falls apart like a house of cards. So that's really good to do. Also, number 10, go outside. Schedule some outside time, and also preferably in the sun, because that'll help your body to absorb vitamin D, which again helps your immune system. Number 11, stop eating junk food. Don't eat bad food. Avoid sugar, refined and processed foods, and alcohol too. In fact, drinking water in small amounts every 15 minutes may cause the virus not to go to the lungs, but to divert to the stomach. And the stomach acids then will kill the virus, according to experts. So that could be a good thing too, drinking small amounts of water every 15 minutes. Home cooking is going to be important, as a lot of restaurants are shut down. Most restaurants are shut down except for takeout. So find some good nutrient, immune system supporting and nutrient dense recipes. You can find them online, and then make sure you keep this in mind when doing home cooking. A frequently asked question I get is, do you need to purchase hand sanitizer, soap, and a face mask, biohazard suit, surgeon's gloves? I'm sure you know about the frenzy of going on purchasing these items. A lot of these items you can't even find anymore, and I really wonder how many of these purchases were made just so people can jack up the price and scalp you for resale, and as panic sets in. In the case of masks, keep in mind that respirator masks have to be properly fitted so they form a good seal around your face. And really those who are sick are really the only ones who need the masks, and the right grade of mask is also critical. Hand sanitizer is difficult to find now, so good old soap and water is really the gold standard is great. Also keep in mind your oral hygiene is important. Our mouths are filled with bacteria, good and bad, and your oral microbiome is very important to your immune system. So therefore, don't forget the importance of flossing and taking care of your teeth and gums. Again, please wash your hands before you perform these oral tasks. Doing saltwater mouth gargling is a good idea. And again, if in public, sip water every 15 minutes to wash any airborne pathogens into the gut and not the lungs. Remember, the gut acids will kill the virus according to many experts. So that's a good thing to keep in mind too. And number 15, keep your immune system up. Again, I can't stress this enough. Decrease your mental stress as much as you can. I know it's easier said than done, and that will enable you to stay strong. Get regular chiropractic care too, because that'll also help. That may also help to boost your immune system and keep you from getting sick in the first place. And the best defense is a good offense here, so keep up your immune system. Check us out at newhopechiropractic.com for more information, and try to have a very, very healthy day.